my name's Tameeka from LYCON Cosmetics, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a leg wax using the Wax-cellence Cartridge home waxing kit. Included in this kit is the cartridge heater, Wax-cellence cleanser, Wax-cellence lotion, the Wax-cellence cartridge, plus the waxing strips, which look like this, and an instruction manual. In the handheld unit, you will find the Wax-cellence cartridge. You can also purchase your refills separately. The cartridge strip waxing system is great for beginners and waxing large areas such as the legs, as it is easy to use, effective and efficient. The Wax-cellence cleanser is designed to prepare and cleanse the skin prior to your wax to remove any excess residue, perspiration or makeup. The Wax-cellence lotion is designed to soothe and moisturize your skin after a wax. To start, you want to turn your cartridge heater to the maximum temperature, which is 115 degrees Celsius or 239 degrees Fahrenheit. First, we're going to prepare the skin using the Wax-cellence cleanser. Now we're going to apply the wax. We want to start by applying with the hair growth and removing against, ensuring that we are supporting the skin. At roughly a 45-degree angle, we want to apply the cartridge wax nice and thin over the full length of the leg. Continuing in this pattern of applying the wax, you want to move around the leg in sections. Now we're going to remove the strip wax against the hair growth, ensuring that we're supporting the skin. When removing the patch, we want to make sure that we are taking off like an aeroplane, not lifting up like a helicopter. This will ensure for a smooth removal and no damage to the skin. As soon as you remove the wax, you want to soothe the area by gently rubbing or patting the skin. After we've finished our wax, we want to use the Wax-cellence cleanser to cleanse the skin and to help close the follicles. Once we have finished cleansing the skin, we want to use the Wax-cellence lotion to help soothe and moisturize the skin. You can use this same method to wax arms or stomach using the Wax-cellence Cartridge home waxing kit. Thank you for watching this leg wax demonstration using the Wax-cellence Cartridge home waxing kit. Happy LYCON waxing!